For the sauce for our pasta, I've got some ricotta in a bowl. To that, I'm going to add some pine nuts that I've toasted and roughly chopped. In they go. Some crushed garlic, some finely grated parmesan, the zest and juice of 1 lemon. I've got some lovely fresh oregano. I'm going to put most of it in, but just keep a little bit back to garnish. And then a little bit more olive oil. Now, to make our sauce really nice and creamy, I'm just going to use a couple of ladlefuls of the pasta water. It's got a little bit of starch in there, which really helps. It's going to make our sauce really nice and creamy. And for the full recipe, you can just click on the link. Now my spaghetti is ready to drain. I'm just going to take a little bit more of that water and hold it in reserve just in case I need it to loosen up the sauce. And then turn off the heat. And then return that to the pan. In goes the ricotta sauce. Now I've cooked some onions in olive oil for a really long time, so they're really soft and sweet. Keep a little bit back, and then the rest gets scooped into our pasta. And then just give that a really good stir together. If you need a little bit more of that cooking liquid, you can add it now. And then just give it a little touch of seasoning. And now we're all ready to serve. And then to finish off, a few of those onions over the top. A little sprinkle of toasted pine nuts for extra crunch. A little sprinkle of that oregano. A good grinding of black pepper. Really, really quick and easy. For more recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.